It's nearly impossible to definitively say whether a person's parenting style is good or bad. After all, everyone approaches life differently, so there's bound to be different opinions about what's the right way and the wrong way to raise a child. Still, there's at least one thing that all parents can agree on, and that's ensuring that your child is safe from harm at all times. That's exactly why parents around the world are upset about the photo series one dad is posting of his kid in varying dangerous scenarios. Though the truth behind the images may surprise you. Stephen Crowley, a Dublin-based designer and father of an 18-month-old named Hannah, has recently become the subject of much parenting scrutiny after he began posting photographs of his baby girl in various dangerous scenarios on the website Imager. Stephen's photographs depicted such precarious situations like the one below, in which he allowed her to steer their vehicle while traveling on a highway. Another showed Hannah balancing on the railing that overlooked a river. Needless to say, Stephen's risky pictures are giving parents around the internet a collective panic attack. The scenes were enough to make anyone nervous. When other frightened parents discovered the truth about Stephen's photographs, however, they were more than relieved. As it turned out, he actually photoshopped his daughter into these dangerous scenarios as a way to play pranks on his friends and family. And let's just say it worked. The story behind their photographic project together is as heartbreaking as it is inspiring. Hannah was diagnosed with a rare immune disorder known as HLH, hemophagocytic lymphohistiocytosis, and had to receive chemotherapy as well as a bone marrow transplant. After Hannah had to spend 6 months in the hospital, Stephen got the idea to do the photo series. Because we missed out on so much normal stuff the first year, we take tons of photos now that we're able to do normal things out of isolation, he said in an interview. Not only did Stephen want people to see the humor in his photographs, but he was hoping they'd help benefit Be The Match, an organization that finds bone marrow donors around the world. Luckily, since being released from the hospital, Hannah's health managed to improve. She's lots of fun, always smiling and has a great sense of humor, given what she's been through so far, Stephen said.